Imagine you could realize high-speed machining on any CNC machine without any conversions or adaptations. With the speeder.sycotec.eu, CNC presents the first 100% autonomously operating high-frequency spindle suitable for tool magazines. An innovative high-end system solution with all necessary components on board. The speeder integrates motor spindle, power electronics, battery pack, and tool holder. This enables standalone operation in all common CNC machines, quite simply via intuitive plug-and-play. How it works? Let's take a look at the details. The core of the solution is a motor spindle with a speed of up to 60,000 revolutions per minute at an output of 300 to 500 watts. This is complemented by maintenance-free hybrid ball bearings and an ER11 clamping system. The system further includes integrated power electronics with frequency converter, battery management, and an info display. The power supply is provided by a replaceable battery pack with a capacity for up to 8 hours of continuous operation. However, the speeder is not only 100% autonomous, but also 100% tool magazine compatible. All common tool holder sizes are available. This means that the spindle can be operated in almost any CNC machine. Since the system is designed as a plug-and-play solution, the setup process takes place outside the machine, similar to a conventional tool holder. In step 1, the required tool is inserted. The speeder is equipped with an ER11 clamping system for this purpose. In the second step, the required speed is set via the info display. After that, the spindle can simply be inserted into the magazine of your machine like a normal tool. That's it. During operation, the speeder works with an automatic start-stop system. It is controlled by 2 signals for safety. Signal 1 indicates clamping in the machine taper. The spindle is ready to start. Signal 2 indicates that the internal coolant supply has been activated and sets the spindle in motion. The battery runtime is up to 8 hours, which corresponds to a usual work shift. When the battery is discharged, it can be easily replaced. To do this, the battery pack is removed from the spindle and then a charged battery pack is put on. Spindle service is also simple and fast. The motor unit can be dismantled from the basic unit via 3 screws and replaced with a spare unit in just a few moments. With speeder.sycotec.eu, you will experience a new dimension in high-speed machining. 100% autonomous and 100% plug-and-play. The high available speeds allow significantly shorter machining times, higher productivity, and maximum service quality with reduced tool wear. Convince yourself and discover the first battery-powered motor spindle. An innovation, of course, from CNC.